Hey guys, Jack from Halfchrome. Here I've got the Mobula7. This is a fun 2S brushed whoop, if you want to call it that. Some things that I really like about it: it's got this adjustable angle camera here. The motors are pretty powerful. They're 0802, 1600 kVs. It is pretty darn light. You can see here the battery connector. It actually will use two small lipos that you're going to connect together to run 2S. You can actually put a plug on there and run one larger, say 450 to 600 milliamp hour S battery. I highly recommend you fly this thing on 2S. Now I haven't done it yet, but I plan on doing so. Cutting the throttle to fly indoors. Joshua Bardwell does a nice little video on that I'm going to follow. But overall, I really do like the Mobula7. It is a lot of fun. You get a lot more power than, say, something like the Emax Tiny Hawk. Now, this is still probably my favorite beginner whoop drone, but this one, if you want something with a little bit more power, is the way to go. Okay, some things you're going to want to know about the Mobula7 here. The VTX is 25 milliwatts only. It is not interchangeable, or changeable, I should say. The flight controller is an F3 board, so that is something you're going to have to know. Now, the frame on this is not super durable. This is actually the V3 frame that I put on it, which is really the same frame as this, the eSheen trash can. Now, these are pretty comparable drones in terms of specs, but if you really look, the trash can has a beat in most areas. Now, I still think I like the Mobula7 a little bit more, even with the not so fantastic frame, right? This is an easy fix. You buy a new frame, you put that on, right? But I think this one's a little bit smoother. It's a little bit lighter, and I think that plays a big part into why I like the Mobula7 a little bit more. On paper, the trash can pretty much has it beat in almost every area, but there's just something about the way that this flies that I really like. You can do loops, rolls, fly it acro, and you can fly it inside. You're just going to have to be a little bit more steady on the throttle. Now, I pretty much fly this exclusively with my FR Sky X-Lite. I love this thing. It just feels good in your hands, and it's not super huge, so I don't feel awkward flying a tiny quad with a gigantic remote. It has the 4 switches that I use. I don't need more than that, although I have 2 extra ones here. And you can see I've got an iRange X light module. We'll talk about this thing in an upcoming video. Alright, so let's get this Mobula up in the air so you can see some FPV video from it. Now, this is not actually me on the sticks, but Ryan Kelly. He is one of our drone club students. I don't know if you saw that video where we did some drone racing with some high school students. Yes, it is a varsity sport, and he's pretty awesome at it. So you can see this is him doing some acro, and then he's going to take it and fly it around indoors as well, so you can see some of that. But as you can tell, it's a pretty smooth flyer. It does a nice job. If you're flying it on 2S, which is what I would recommend you do, it's got plenty of punch, plenty of power. A lot of people say that it flies a lot like a 5-inch, which is awesome because it certainly is smaller and lighter and easier to take with you. Alright, so if you're looking for something that you can fly around the house, then this Mobula is also a good option there. Now, it is a little bit more powerful than some of those 1S whoops like the Tiny Hawk, but that is also what kind of makes this thing nice as well. It is pretty versatile. Now, if you want to do a power cut, nice little loop there, Ryan, that is something that I would recommend taking a look at if you think it is a little bit too powerful, but it does pretty darn well indoors as well. It is just super responsive, and that having that 2S battery
Gives you a little bit more punch. You can kind of recover when you really understand how the throttle management works. You're going to really like this drone. It is fun and something that I would recommend not just for beginners, but when you have that 5-inch dialed in and you can't fly it on a rainy day, it's good to have one of these things to rip around the house.
So if you are looking for a micro drone, the Mobula7 is really solid. A lot of fun to fly. You can fly in 1S, can fly in 2S. It's pretty durable if you upgrade the frame, but definitely something I would recommend.